Hello students, once again I welcome you all to the online mathematics by Vinay sir. In the previous class we all have seen how we can divide when we have two fractions. Today we all are going to learn about the division of decimal number. It means we will learn here how we can divide a whole number by decimal number, how we can divide a decimal number by whole number, and then after we will try to understand how we can divide a decimal number by a decimal number. Okay, we will try to understand it with the help of some example. So first example that I have taken here is example number 1, and that is 9 is divided by 2.5. So here you can see this 9 is a whole number and it is divided by 2.5. So simply students, we have to convert both the number in the form of fraction, and then after we have to apply the division of fraction. Okay, so you can see this 9 can be written easily as 9 upon 1 and it is divided by 2.5, and we have to convert this 2.5 in the fraction. So while we have a number 2.5 and we want to convert it in the form of fraction, we have to write this 2.5 without point and will be 25, and it will be the numerator, and in the denominator we have to write 1. Then after we have to observe the number of digit after decimal point. We have to observe the number of digit after decimal point. Here we have one digit only, so we have to write 10. Suppose if we have one number 3.26 and if we want to convert it in the form of fraction, so first of all this 3.26 will be written without point and it will be 326. 1, it has 2 digits after decimal point, so here we have to write 20. Okay, suppose if we have a number 1.456, okay, we have to write this number 1456. We have to remove this point, it will be the numerator. In the denominator we have to write 1, and we have to count the number of digits, so it has 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, so we have to write 30. Okay, so students, this is the way how we can change a decimal number in the form of fraction. Here in this case we have 2.5, so simply this 2.5 can be written as 25 upon 10. Now you can see we have changed these two numbers in the form of fraction. Simply we have to apply the procedure how we can divide two fractions. So the first term will be written as it is, that is 9 upon 1. Division sign will be changed into multiplication, and we have to write the reciprocal of second term, that is 25 upon 10. So reciprocal of 25 upon 10 will be 10 upon 25. Okay, simply we have to multiply the numerators. So 9 tens are 90 and 1 multiplied by 25, so we get 25. When we simplify this 90 upon 25, we'll get 5 5s are 25 and 5 18s are 90. So the 18 upon 5 will be answer. If you want to change this number 18 upon 5 in the form of decimal number, simply we have to divide this. Okay, 5 3s are 15. It will be subtracted and we get 3 here as remainder. We have to apply point here and we get here 0. 5 6 are 30. Okay, so this 3.6 will be the decimal point of 18 upon 5, so we can write here 3.6. Okay, so this is the way how we can divide a whole number by a decimal number. Let's see the next example. Okay, so next example we have here 3.5 is divided by 7. Now here the first number is in decimal form and the second number is a whole number. So here we are going to learn how we can divide a decimal number by a whole number. Simply the same procedure we have to apply here. 3.5 will be written in the fraction as 35 upon 10. It is divided by 7 upon 1. Okay, we have to write 35 upon 10 as it is. Division will be changed in the multiplication and we have to write the reciprocal of 7 upon 1. It will be 1 upon 7. When we multiply the numerators, we get here 35. When we multiply denominators, we get 70. Now students, you can see 35 and 70 both numbers are divisible by 5. So 5 7s are 35, 5 1s are 5 and 5 4s are 20. So now it is 7 upon 14. Still this number is divisible by 7. So 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. So we get here 1 upon 2, and we know that the decimal value of 1 upon 2 is 0.5. So this is the answer for this question. Now see the next example that we have. 2.5 is divided by 0.5. Now here we have a decimal number and we are going to divide this decimal number by a decimal number. So simply we have to write these two numbers in the form of fraction. So this will be 25 upon 10 divided by 5 upon 10. Okay, first number will be written as it is, that is 25 upon 10. Division sign will be changed into multiplication, and we have to write the reciprocal of second number. It will be 10 upon 5. Simply we have to multiply numerator. Numerators will be multiplied and we get 250. Denominators will be multiplied and we get 50. You can see both the numbers are divisible by 10. So this 0 and 0 will be cancelled and we get here 25 upon 5, where 5 ones are 5 and 5 fives are 25. So simply we got here 5 as answer. Okay. One more example I am going to take here, that is 2.25 is divided by 1.5. So you can write 225 upon 100 is divided by 15 upon 10. Okay. Now first number will be written as it is, 225 upon 100. Division sign will be changed into multiplication and we have to write the reciprocal of second term. So it is 10 upon 15. Okay. When we multiply the numerators, we will get here 2250, and in the denominator we will get 1500. This 0 will be cancelled. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. So we have 45 upon 30. Still this number is divisible by 5. So 5 6s are 30 and 5 9s are 45. 9 upon 6. We can divide it by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So finally we have 3 upon 2. When we convert it into decimal form, we get 1.5. So this will be our answer for this question. So I hope it is clear for you all. Practice for these things. When we meet again, we'll take some more interesting topic. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning and keep watching the online mathematics by Vinay sir. Thank you so much.